My dryer made a loud banging noise and stopped working.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. What happens when you try to run the dryer now? Do you hear any noise at all? Any humming or anything?
Brief humming and then nothing.
Okay, perfect, so that means that the motor is jammed. Did the noise happen instantly and for just a few seconds, or has the noise been getting worse as time has gone on?
I thought it sounded like something fell, then it just stopped working.
Okay, well then that sounds like something fell through your lint trap and is now jamming up your blower wheel and not allowing the motor to turn. You'll need to pull the lint filter out and remove the 2 screws going down into the top panel just below the lint filter lid. Next, pull the dryer out and unplug it. Remove all the screws going into the back panel and remove the back panel on the dryer. In the lower back right corner is where your lint filter housing connects to the blower wheel housing. There are 4 screws holding these housings together. Remove all 4 screws and separate the filter housing. Then you can reach in and remove whatever is blocking the wheel from turning.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.